Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install CapCut, which recently gained a lot of popularity among video editors because of its ease. So let's see how we can download and install it. Hey there everyone, welcome to Windows Nexus, where in this channel our objective is to help our audience in elevating their Windows experience. Alright, so here I already have open internet browser, and let me actually open Google because not everyone uses DuckDuckGo. Alright, so here let's simply type download CapCut, and this is the link which we were looking for. And not to worry guys, I'm going to provide you this direct link in the description of this video. Now simply click here on download for free. Now what this will do is it will try to download CapCut setup, and then here all you need to do is you need to locate where you would like to save it. So here I have selected desktop, and let's click on save. Now after we have successfully downloaded the installer, simply run it by opening it. Now simply open it, and there you go. The process of download has begun, and it is pretty straightforward. And there you go, we have successfully installed it. Now it's going to run this environment testing for the first time, which kind of check what CPU and GPU you use, and based on that it's going to set up environment. And there you go, we have successfully installed CapCut in our system. Now CapCut actually come in two different packages. One is free tier and another one is premium. So when you go for premium version, you're gonna get following extra option. But in starting, I would definitely suggest you to start it first and see if it really cater what you are looking for. If yes, then go ahead, use it, and then after reaching certain threshold, you can obviously upgrade it. So that's how guys you can install CapCut in your system. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Windows Nexus to follow more such tutorial related to Windows, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.